Hello, Kaedu! After the literary genres, periods, and development of Africa, we continue our journey in the Middle East and Northeastern Africa. Module 3 highlights the distinct features, literary types, and masterpieces of Middle East literatures, Egyptian, Arabian, Hebrew, and Persian literatures. It also discusses the various plots and themes reflected following the literary devices, author style, tone, mood, and atmosphere from representative types. Middle East was first documented and used in 1902 by U.S. naval writer in a discussion with British imperial strategy. It was divided into four groups: Northeast Africa, Egypt, Libya, and Sudan; Fertile Crescent countries, Iran, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, Palestine, and Israel; the nations of the Arabian Peninsula, Saudi Arabia, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, and Kuwait; and the Northern Tier, Turkey, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. Gives the earliest written records of human experiences which date back from the histories of Egypt and Mesopotamia. Middle East and West Asia literatures were influenced by a rich variety of genres, addressing man's experiences from the employment of its native language to its translation and to its development for the past 14 centuries. Egyptian literature. Ancient Egyptian literature is composed of narrative and poetic forms, which are not included as literature because they are mostly of Egyptian studies with greater merit. These developments came during the period of the Old Kingdom. Hieroglyphics as writing system consists of phonograms, symbols which represent sounds; logograms, symbols representing words; and ideograms, symbols which represent meaning or sense. Types of Egyptian literature. The offering list is a simple instruction known to the Egyptian as Hetep Dines, a boon given by the king inscribed on a tomb. The autobiography is written after the person's death and accounts as a self-portrait. The Catalogue of Virtues is a collection of early obituaries which accentuated the ethics of the society in a formulaic writing. Middle Kingdom is the classical age of Egyptian literature. The Middle Egyptian script was created and considered as the highest form of hieroglyphics. New genres were developed like the pessimistic lead. The literature in the New Kingdom displays a more cosmopolitan approach expressed in text, divining the great state god Amun-Ra. It gives emphasis on the scribal tradition, as scribes play an important role in all aspects of literature. Egyptian love poem is similar to the biblical songs of Solomon and the compositions of the troubadours of the 12th century CE. The Egyptian Book of the Dead is the best-known piece of literature from New Kingdom texts. It is a series of spells which are instructions for the departed for them to find their way in the afterlife. Erasure is one of the greatest works of prose and the didactic literature, which teaches lessons. Here are the famous Egyptian writers. Egyptian tales. Tales and stories are the most surviving literary form in Egyptian literature. They are mostly found in papyri, and partial or complete text was in ostraca. Egyptian love songs. The ancient love songs from the New Kingdom were written in late Egyptian hieratic and existed as an oral form in this period. They are often referred as poems and are often sung. These love songs create a dramatic atmosphere within each composition, with recurring motifs, references to hidden darkness and religious fear. No love song has been dated from before the New Kingdom, as these were written in the late Egyptians. Ancient Egyptian proverbs as limericks. One of the greatest contributions of Egyptian literature is the limerick. In Egyptian literature, limericks are mostly on gods and myths with a great recognition as heroes. The ancient Egyptian culture from 4000 BCE to 30 BCE was evident with inscriptions on tombs of Cleopatra VII, being the last ruler of the Malik dynasty. The significance of Egyptian mythology to other cultures was its influence of eternal life after death, benevolent deities, and reincarnation. Folklore was based on tales from generation through narration. Mythology stories include the story of Ra, a creation myth, Ra as the first pharaoh. Folklore stories include the names of divinity and mythological background. The Tale of Two Brothers, which was written about 1225 BC in late Egyptian hieratic, was translated during the 19th dynasty. It deals with the story of two brothers, Anubis and Bata. Arabian literature. The evolution of Arabian literature dates back with unrecorded beginnings from the Arabian Peninsula. It began with a tribal and nomadic tradition with the spread of Islam during the 7th to 10th century. There are two major processes in Arabian literature: renewed contracts with the Western world and renewed interest in the classical heritage of the Arabic language and Islam. The earliest written literature is the Quran or the sacred book of Islam. Literary genres also include elaborated odes, ghazals, sajs, and adab. The inventive type of folk literature, 1001 Nights or Arabian Nights, is the most popular literary form. Major Arabian writers are the following: Major highlights of Arabic prose. Hebrew literature. Major features of Hebrew literature. Persian literature, now Iranian literature. Major features of Persian literature. There you have it, Kaedu. We remain focused as we trek Asia and learn about its literatures. See you in the next episode.